Hello children. Children, welcome back to the class again. Today we are going to learn about subject and predicate. Children, we all are well aware with what is a sentence. We know that sentence is basically a group of words and the words are arranged in a particular sequence so that it gives a sense, it gives a meaning and a complete meaning. So children, when we talk about the subject and the predicate, subject is that part of a sentence which is the title of the sentence. The whole sentence is about the subject. Subject can be the name of a person, thing, or it can be anything that we want to talk about in a sentence. And the rest of the part of a sentence is predicate. Predicate contains a verb and predicate says something about the subject. Let's try to understand this with these examples. First sentence is the birds are flying up. So this is the complete sentence, but the birds are the main part of the sentence because it is the subject of the sentence. Okay, the whole sentence is about these birds. Now the predicate is that part of a sentence which gives us the information, which tells something about this subject. So what is said about the birds in the sentence? We have the information, birds are flying up. So here are flying up is the predicate. And since, as I have told you, that predicate contains a verb, so here we can see are flying up is the verb of the sentence. In the next sentence, we can see Shobha is a clever girl. So Shobha is the title, the main part of the sentence because we are talking about Shobha in this sentence. So Shobha is the subject, and what is said about Shobha? It is like she is a clever girl. So is a clever girl is the predicate. Similarly, we have other sentences. He recorded the program. So he is the subject and recorded the program is the predicate. And here what is the verb here? We can see recorded is the verb that is used in this sentence and verb is the part of the predicate. The tall girl over there is my cousin. So here the tall girl over there is the subject and is my cousin is the predicate. So here we can notice, students, that a subject can be a single word or it can contain more words even. The last sentence says the Lal family have gone to see the exhibition. The Lal family is what we are talking about, and what we are talking have gone to see the exhibition. So this part of the sentence is predicate. Now children, there is one thing to keep in mind, that is that usually what happens, the subject comes before the predicate, but in some sentences the predicate comes before the subject. It means the subject can come after the predicate. Now in what kind of sentences we use the subject after predicate? These are the sentences like up went the balloon. So here the balloon is the subject of the sentence, but we have used it after the predicate. Similarly, in the second example, here comes the bus. So the bus is the subject here, but we have used it after predicate. Why did we do so? Children, we use subjects after predicate when we want to emphasize subjects. In these sentences, the balloon and the bus are used after predicate to give the emphasis to these subjects. The subject is often omitted in commands. What does it mean? Whenever we give commands to someone, we usually do not use any specific subject because in these kinds of sentences, subject is understood. For example, if I tell you stand up, so here I won't say you stand up or you sit up, you eat, you read, you go out from there. It is not said. Usually we omit you because the subject you is already understood in these kinds of sentences. So children, that's it for today. Today we learned about the subject and the predicate. We will see you in the next class with another topic. Till then, take care.